this experiment, we will understand what a short circuit is. First, set up the circuit as shown. Close the switch. Does the bulb light up? What is the current in the circuit? Now, connect a connecting wire in parallel with the bulb. Close the switch. Does the bulb light up? What happens to the current in the circuit? What happens to the steel wool? In this experiment, the wire connect across the bulb is called a short circuit. It provides an easier path for current to flow. As a result, nearly all the current flows through the wire instead of the bulb. Therefore, the bulb goes out. As the short circuit has very low resistance, the current in the circuit becomes very large. This causes the thin steel wool to become red hot and melt.